Get ready to hit sell. Get your brokers ready. I'll go back in the lecture in a second, but get ready to hit sell. Will it keep going? Of course. Your job is to hit sell. I don't care. I know it's going to keep going. It'll blow past this too. I know, but that's not your concern. Your concern has never been that. Your concern is to hit sell. When you go to your jobs, you punch in, you punch out, you do what? Whatever the freak your job is. That's it. Your job is your job. Not going into hypotheticals. Your job is your job, and your job is to hit sell. So now I'm going to keep going as it's struggling here. It's fighting here. Let's go. Ready? Eyes on the board. Wait, Sandra, hold on, my brother. Hold on. In 2 minutes, we're about to get a new 5-minute candle. My eyes should be on which time frame candles to form. Go. People, listen, I get nothing from telling you what I'm telling you. I get nothing out of it. But I'm telling you because I wish I didn't be on social media. This is why I use the 3 dots, not interested. I don't know if you know what that means. On Instagram, when they show you something, you click 3 dots and click not interested. The second I see half-naked chicks, I see other traders, 3 dots, not interested. Immediately, so I don't get influenced. You don't think my feed shows up? This crypto coin's going to the moon. And I'm going, oh, morons. 3 dots, not interested. You got to start doing that or just get off the platform. Twitter is a cesspool where everyone's pumping garbage. People, I'm going to post about it on Wednesday. I'm posting on my threads. I said it yesterday. The amount of money I'm offered to push garbage crypto coins is wild. It's wild. Because they want me to get in before the drop happens. And I said, I just blocked them. Because that's messed up. That's unethical, for God's sakes. I think it's a sin, in my opinion, in a religious terminology. Karma. I see it. And I don't want you being influenced by it. This woman came on the live and says she has a whole crypto exchange filled with the worst coins of all time. Yes. And where did you see them? Yeah. Where? Twitter?
No,
where? YouTube?
No.
Where did you find them? Oh yeah, she went on the site. There's a site that shows all the garbage stuff. She just started buying randomly. Yeah.
I also have some stable. But I also have I also have the altcoin.
We'll talk about it at the Dave and Buster's. Okay. We'll talk about it when we go ahead to Why are you caring if it goes up? I'm here, no? So don't worry about it.
He knows.
I know. Come on now. You think
He's happy inside.
Well, you're looking this way, so I'm just...
He's like, I got eyes.
You think I don't know what's going on right now? I ain't taking no phone calls right now.
Hey, I'm sweating, Professor.
Nobody should be sweating. Because say that again. Record that, Rodriguez. I like what he just said. That was powerful, Chor, and I loved it. You mean the world to me because you've been with me since the original days when I had like 500 followers. I'm at 168,000. So what you said means even more to me. Say that again.
I mean, I'm sweating.
Why are you sweating? I believe it.
I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous? You're in the trade right now. But what do I look like?
You're good.
You're cool. Why? But you tell me why.
Because you know your stuff.
Exactly. You're going to get there too. I've had traders that watch the live trading videos. They're in the secret Instagram. It says live trading. There's a playlist. They say, how the hell are you so calm? What the frick? I know what I'm doing. I have the conviction in this trade. I have to get ready to hit sell. It's about to touch our highs. That's enough. That is your high point right there. It will keep going, but there's a learning. Hit sell. Hit sell. Hands up if you made some money. Look at that. Rodriguez, get on the camera, woman. We're going to have a conversation right now. We're going to take another trade. We're here, baby. We're here, baby. We're here. Ready? Everyone, hands up if you're out, right? Everyone's out? Who's still in? Why?
My phone is my black.
He's having problems.
Where's your computer? Connected to back to your consistency. I'm not going to sit here saying you figured it all out now. It's all done. You coming to Puerto Rico? You don't have to. You figured it all out. He came to me when you guys are working. He's like, Professor, that Puerto Rico is going to be better than this because you're with us. Silva, you were in. Come, tell the story. The rooftop discussions. Tell them about the late night rooftop discussions.
Yeah, we would be up there for a few hours, and the first day, the two people to talk to will obviously be Professor and Junior. Professor sees what everybody's doing because myself included, the 20 people that were there were all, we're gonna make so much money. And the first day, he didn't take a trade and we all got slapped in the face. Because he's trying to show us, we were looking at penny stocks, but we were gonna trade blue chips, and it's 10:15 in the morning, the market had just opened, and we're saying, oh, this one's pumping, this one's pumping, this one's pumping. And being the professor, he let us do what we had to do so we could learn. You learn when you burn your hand. And we started looking at stuff, and a lot of us had the PDT rule. It's day one of trading, and half of us had taken 2 or 3 trades, couldn't even trade the rest of the week. So that trip essentially was us just understanding what we were doing wrong and shifting our purpose back to where it had to be aligned for us to understand, like, yes, you can make money with this, but if you do it the wrong way, you're going to end up burning yourself. And that's exactly what happened.
Correct.
And a lot of people opened up to a lot of things over there that it was different.
Correct.
It was different.
Because remember, this is 3 days, but your journey starts after this. You're going to have to dive deeper in, and then you have to learn about what? It's the charts here, but what else do you truly have to learn about? Yourself. That's where you dive into it. We would have late night conversations on the rooftop, late at night, talking about these things. I'm sure if you go back to my content, you'll see some of the lives where we're having these discussions. We would sit on the rooftop bed and talking mostly about mindset and what we did wrong. It's about getting to know yourself because you are your enemy. Is it the market? Is your mother, your father, or you?
Us.
Who's the enemy? You're your own enemies. You know when to hit buy and sell. You just need to be better at doing it at the right time, right or wrong. You know when to hit buy and sell. You're just doing it at the wrong time. You remember William's story? He told you the story. He's been doing this long enough. AMC.
My decision in trading, but until today, I got a better understanding of my purpose and why I'm trading.
How did that happen? How did you get to that realization?
I think open discussion helped me out more than anything. I'm sitting at home at my desk and I think I know I want to provide for my family. It's bigger than just providing for your family.
That's powerful. That's powerful. And this is why I love what Silva said and Anna said, Eric and Junior, they know. What'd you say the most important day was? The first day. Why 4 of you back there? Why is today their most important day?
Because it's the foundation of everything. You can't have a strong foundation, your building's going to collapse.
There you go. This is where it is. Tomorrow, like I said, is light work, man. Light work. You'll see how I do that stuff. Light work. But if you don't have the power to hit sell, what light work? Keep it going. Tatiana.
I put me against me.
Explain.
I mean, it's my mental against myself, meaning when I look at the charts, I gotta know when to hit that sell button. So at the end of the day, it's me fighting against myself. How much is enough?
How did you realize that? What was the conversation we had, or the class had, that made you realize that?
I think just listening to you, how you say that you're so detached. Because at the end of the day, you're going on the computer and you're fighting yourself, aren't you?
It is me. It is you 100%. It's player versus player. It's you versus you. Your enemy is you. This thing is moving. It hasn't stopped yet. It continues to move. Now, let's say you didn't get in. Doesn't part of you say, let's get in?
Like you know it's wrong to do so.
Correct. And the battle for you to be able to acknowledge it's wrong, it's overextended, it's moved up too much, you should not touch it. That is the hardest part of it all. Keep it going. Lucas.
I put down that confidence is key. Like, kind of the question that I had earlier, when do you know it's time for you to advance, to push on further? I think kind of goes into everything, goes with your mindset. If you're confident in what you're doing and you care about what you're doing, you'll be good.
Correct. I like it. Keep it going.
Today was great because everything kind of like came together. Yesterday we were setting everything up, and today to see everything execute to the T was very inspiring, comforting, and just like, felt like I learned a lot for sure. Yeah, I came from Los Angeles to come over here, and I'm not anybody crazy. I just work a regular job, so I'm getting my feet wet in this world, and I think this is definitely the way to go for me. It's awesome because I kind of like, I'm very like to myself, and I kind of came in with the strategy of like, let me just do my thing and learn what I can learn. But then just the nature of the class kind of like, it forces you to participate. And from day one, professor was like calling on me for stuff, and I was like not trying to do it. But as the days went on, I got a lot more comfortable, and it's cool now. Yeah, if you're new and you don't know, from what Junior was saying yesterday, if you don't know like what style, figure it out. But for me, based on the type of person I am, the type of risks that I am willing or not willing to take, this scalp trading strategy where it's like ABC 1, 2, 3, everything makes sense, and it's simple. I would say if you're that type of person, this is definitely the way to go. Yeah, man, Professor, this was worth. Like the last question that you had right here was like, what's one word? For me, it's worth, because like I said, I'm not really anybody, and it took a lot of money for me to come here and like pay for the hotel and Uber and everything. Like it all added up, and it was today when I was like, man, this was definitely worth it. Even though I'm only trading one share and then like, I'm making a couple cents, but the knowledge that I gained from this and just being around everybody, it gives me like the confidence and like I don't know what the term is, but it's like, I can see where this is going.
Foresight.
Yeah, the foresight of like, I can do this kind of thing, right? And that's worth all the money that I spent to come here.
Hey, you're late to class. What are you doing? Sit down. Let's go. The book. Get your notebook. We got work to do right now. Listen, if you want to sign up, come to the mentorship. Guys, what do you think? Learned a lot? Hold up. Listen, but you're late. Let's go. Page 33. Help him, Sam. Page 33 right here. That's the page you need to go in the book, right? Some people. So let's go. Get the notebook ready. Page 33. Click down below. Make it happen. I'll catch you in class. Boom.